My husband and I have completed around 3.5 months of our marriage. In the beginning of this beautiful journey, my husband suggested to give a present to each other each month. It's not like that it has to be something expensive. It's just that we are living together. We'll try to guess what our partner needs this month or something that will make them excited. It could be anything. So it's June now, and I have decided to give him a handkerchief stitched with my love. While embroidering this handkerchief, I kept on thinking about him, things we talk, or what we do for each other. All these beautiful memories kept on embedding in my mind, like this thread is getting embedded on this handkerchief. That's the beauty of a handmade gift. You keep on thinking about the person while preparing it.